Close your eyes, keep your spine erect, focus on the breath. Let the Dhamma talk just sit in the background. You'll hear what you need to hear, but at all times maintain focus on the breath, because that's really what we're trying to cultivate here.
In Sutta SN 1.1, Buddha was staying in Savatthi at the time. It was late one evening when a deva came to visit him. She paid her respects and then asked Buddha a question. She asked, "How did you cross over the floods?" The floods that the deva was referring to are the floods of sensuality, floods of becoming, the floods of views, and the floods of ignorance. Buddha promptly replied, "I crossed over the floods by neither pushing forward nor standing still. If I pushed forward, I would have been whirled around. If I stood still, I would have sunk. Hence, I crossed the floods by neither pushing forward nor standing still." The deva took delight in Buddha's words. But it's interesting that Buddha delivered these particular words or this message to her, because it really doesn't answer a question at all. You see, prior to her asking the question, Buddha could see that she was blinded by pride and conceit. And Buddha gave her an answer that would satisfy her, but yet force her to progress more towards insight. So how can we learn from this sutta? Each time you breathe in and out, ask yourself, are you working towards abandoning the flood of sensuality, the flood of becoming, the flood of views and the flood of ignorance? Are you still blinded, like the deva, with pride and conceit? And if so, try and abandon these unskillful qualities, so that the next time you breathe, you are primed for insight.